Hey everybody! I'm Tina and I love taking long baths. Today I'm going to hit the raspberry party here. Are you ready for it? Be or be not, I definitely am. First I use this Nacomi raspberry foamy bath powder to make water a little bit foamy, pink and smell like a raspberry ice cream. I expected it a little more foamy, but I'm okay with that. Foam is really fluffy like a raspberry milkshake. I love how it makes my skin so moisturized and soft. Next, I'm going to use my own handmade bath bomb. I used raspberry powder, epsom salt, cocoa butter, fragrance, raspberry of course, because one does not simply have enough raspberries, right? And some pink cornflower. Just, for that amazing look. You can find the full know-how in the description below. Now it's time for some scrub. Here's my Organic Planet Raspberry Scrub. This certified natural cosmetic brand is very wallet-friendly. It smells nice, like candies or something. The composition is very simple, but it perfectly moisturizes my skin, leaving slight fruity fragrance on it. Sugar nicely scrubs until it completely dissolves on wet skin. If you are undemanding, I'm sure it'll do for you. So that's all for my raspberry craziness today. Subscribe if you want any other bathing tips or recipes. See you again, and don't forget, take your time to relax yourselves, cause you deserve it.